Yeah, okay.
Whereabouts are you?
Oh boy, here we go.
Around like
Let's go. Come on, sir.
Right there, slowly. My dad too. That's crazy. He lived in Puerto. Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah, he talks to everybody. He likes to talk. Don't ever take seat A. Row 1. Don't ever take row 1. Because you'll never get in. First row is not good. Because you have no undercarriage. So get the row number 2. Row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. These are extra space seats. Row 5. Row 5 is still good.
Don't
take it with you. You can't take that home. Where are you guys going? Connecticut.
And you? Rico.
Let's go. Come on.
What place in Puerto Rico do you live?
Let's go. Come on. Move. He has all the time. I have to record him while he still has his memory, his Alzheimer's.
Just be careful, it can't be of the crew, okay?
Yeah, it's no problem. We're at 16, 17, 18. I know, don't record the crew.
No, please don't record us.
No, never.
Thank you.
Only with permission, I know.
Yes.
I'm doing good.
You know the rules.
I know.
Good for you.
I love you guys.
I love you.
Robin Hayes is changing things, but...
You know? Exactly.
Not for the... right here. I got you. No, I got you. I'll be quiet. I understand. I understand. I'm not going to get you. I know. I can get us there, but I'll turn it off and then I'll talk to you later.
Are you recording?
Yeah, now I am. I just started. My dad, he has